Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Sagittarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So Sagittarius, this is a read for the weekend of the 23rd of October. 23rd, 24th, 25th. Just a mini read to check on your energies and see if there's anything that you need to know. So let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Sagittarius, as usual, let's take Angel Blessing card to top the reading and see what my angels can bless you with for the weekend. Angel, spirit guides, one blessing or an advice card. Thank you for my Sagittarius. Triumphant. Yes. I like this. Love this card. Let's see what you're going to be triumphant in. What's happening? So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for all your love. Thank you for being here today and supporting the channel. I'm very grateful. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel. We welcome you in. So Sajis, let's see what you can expect this weekend, what you should do, what you shouldn't do, and what's Spirit Secret advice to you. Okay, so the first card I have for you, Sagittarius, is the Four of Pentacles, Three of Cups, and the Four of Cups. So is there someone who wants to reconcile with you, Sagittarius? Have you got any feelers of somebody wanting to come back in your life, or maybe there's a event that you need to go to which you don't want to go? I see you trying to hold back from some kind of either a reconciliation or a group of people here, maybe. Yeah, maybe whatever this is, the Sagittarius, you feel that this is not a good situation. It's better that I stay away from it. I'm holding back. I don't want to be now in the middle of any conflict here, right? You don't want to be in any conflict. So holding yourself back from joining up, maybe with a past lover, maybe, or maybe with a group of people, like I said, and you want to be solo this weekend. You want to do something that makes you sing and makes your heart happy. You have been, I think, you want to be left alone, it seems. Yeah, you want to be left alone with the Nine of Pentacles energy. You want to be alone, single, have some breathing space maybe, sit by yourself. You're not accepting any offers, old or new. And you're having just a me time weekend, which is nice for you, Sagittarius. Yeah, you're not interested in any, having any conversations with anyone or reaching out to anyone, and you are making it rather clear to everyone as well, I think, by stating the fact that, hey, leave me alone this weekend, guys. I need to be by myself, and I don't want to be part of anything this weekend, right? I think this is a weekend that you're taking stock of your own life, your own well-being, which is good. So let's see, what is it that you should do this weekend? Ten of Pentacles, Death, and the Ace of Cups. So Sagittarius, as much as you want to be by yourself and alone, Spirit's advice to you this weekend is that don't neglect your family, right? Ten of Pentacles is in reverse here. So Spirit is saying, please, if you know you are neglecting being part of maybe your family unit or something, just let all your confusion go and make a decision to transform your energy if possible. Bring a death to, that thought that you want to be alone or whatever. And instead of neglecting your family, try and bring some love and happiness and affection back into your family space. This is a family card, that's why I'm saying it. Okay, it's not a one person's card or an ex-lover's card. This is a family card. So Spirit is saying this is what you should do. Don't neglect your family. Don't be too removed or living in your own fantasy world this weekend, Sagittarius. Transform your energy, right? pay a little more attention to your stability of your home. If possible, bring in some love here. Maybe you've been a little avoidant. Yeah. Yes, this is your card, Sagittarius. It's time now to kind of slow down and bring in some balance back into your family unit. Bring in some more love and some more balance in the space that you live. This could be your home, this could be your immediate family. As much as you are wanting to be alone and not mess with other people, but don't do it with outsiders. But from what I feel, Spirit is saying, be home if you have to. Don't mix around. Don't go for a party or with your friends or whatever. But do not neglect your family this weekend. It's very, very important. Yeah. So this week, this is what Spirit is saying. Don't say no to anything that involves your family or your home. This is Spirit's advice to you. What else can I say? I would have loved for you to have a weekend of solitude, but Spirit is saying not this weekend. This is the weekend that you have to kind of balance out. Maybe not with outsiders, but at least in your family unit. This is what you shouldn't do. Yeah, don't bring in, make that choice, okay? Make that choice not to blow your top. You could be a bit irritated this weekend, Sagittarius. You could be feeling not very happy with yourself and you are wanting, if somebody says something to you, you may erupt. So just be a little mindful and a little careful of that, not to disrupt the stability of your close ones, because I do see a page of wands here. This could be a child asking you or saying something to you. So please make a conscious choice, Sagittarius, not to be in this energy. Okay, be mindful of not erupting. Okay, so what's this Tower Spirit? Yes, it's time now, like I said, it's time now to, if you haven't been investing, right? If you haven't been investing your time and energy into your close people, this would kind of mess it up. Yes, I think you need to return back from your fantasy land of whatever you were planning to do this weekend, Sagittarius, and return back to your stable place. Bring some balance and happiness back in your home. Let's see what Spirit's secret advice is to you. Nine of Swords, Chariot, and the Emperor. Yes, the Spirit is saying, instead of being, stressed out and feeling, oh my God, I don't have this, I'm stressed out all the time, as instead of feeling like people are always against you and you're a loser and things never kind of work out in your favor, it's time now to sit on your chariot and actively make some bold moves to move ahead, take back charge and control of your life in a happy and prosperous way. Okay, thoughts are things, Sagittarius. You can either sit in this energy, Spirit is saying, you can either sit in this energy and be secluded and closed off in your room and crying and don't nobody disturb me, or you can move ahead in a happy way and take charge and control of your life and say, hey, I'm good, I'm going to make it happen, right? And yes, there is a possibility by the end of the weekend you are going to feel triumphant and feel you made a good decision of not being by yourself and being stressed out. So I don't know how many of these strategies this is going to work for, but I've said what I had to say, what the cards needed me to say. All right. So love and light. Take care. Namaste.